8 alternatives for saying leave me alone. Dear friends, let's get started. Go away. Give me a break. Buzz off. In the Rockstar movie, when the Jordan chases the Heat, she mentions him. Buzz off. Get off my back. Take a hike. Get lost. Go fly a kite. 7 alternatives for saying good luck. Fingers crossed. Break a leg. Wish you all the best. Knock them dead. Blow them away. You do great. I hope things will turn out fine. 7 alternatives for saying responsible. In care of. In control of. Accountable for. Liable for. In charge of. Under the authority of. In the capable hands of. 7 alternatives for saying I'm sorry. Ever so sorry. I'm ashamed of. It's all my fault. I must apologize for. Please forgive me for my. Please don't be mad at me. How stupid, thoughtless of me. 7 alternatives for saying I'm great. I'm on the cloud 9. Not too shabby. Couldn't be better. I'm on the top of the world. Doing really well. Can't complain. Peachy. 7 alternatives for saying as you can see. In agreement with. In accordance with. In the opinion of. Referring to. Claimed by. In the light of. As reported by. 7 alternatives for saying strong. Sturdy. Powerful. Herculean. Stalwart. Forceful. Strapping. Tough. 7 alternatives for saying you beautiful. You're stunning. You're a vision of beauty. You're drop dead gorgeous. You're breathtaking. You're gorgeous. You're radiant. You're exquisite. 7 alternatives for saying also. Furthermore. Besides. Additionally. Along. More than that. Along with. In conjunction with. 7 alternatives for saying I have bad news. We are in deep trouble. Now we are in a mess. I'm in a dire straits now. What a nuisance. We are in the spot of bother. We have a predicament problem. I have some disappointing news for you. 7 alternatives for saying come hurry up. Hurry up. Move it. Let's spread up. Get a move on. Chop chop. Shake a leg. Snap it up. Collocations with do. Do your best. Do damage. Do an experiment. Do exercise. Do your hair. Do your homework. 7 alternatives for saying can you wait. Hang on a moment. Give us a second. Half a moment. I'll be right with you. Don't be impatient. Sorry, I'm a bit tied up right now. You'll just have to be patient. 7 alternatives for saying I'm happy. I'm over the moon. I'm dead chuffed. I couldn't be happier. I'm very pleased. I'm on cloud 9. I'm absolutely delighted. I'm loving every moment of it. 7 alternatives for saying laugh, giggle, roar, chuckle, grin, titter, snigger, be rolling in the aisles. 7 alternatives for saying tasty, yummy, palatable, juicy, delicious, scrumptious, delectable, lip smacking. 7 alternatives for saying same to you, back to you, ditto, seconded, and seconded. Both are right. Same here, likewise. I wish the same to you. Same applies to you. 7 alternatives for saying let me know. Let me know. Get back to me. Keep me posted. Keep me informed. Keep me in the know. Enlighten me. Keep me in the loop. 7 alternatives for saying I'll support you. Count on my support. I'm behind you 100%. You can always count on me. I've got your back. I'm still cheering for you. Whatever happens, I'm here for you. I'm with you every step of the way. 7 alternatives for saying it's your choice. It's your choice. You decide. It's up to you. Do as you please. The choice is yours. Make up your own mind. It's your decision. 7 alternatives for saying it is new, modern, brand new, contemporary, novel, fresh, latest, up to date. Other ways to say I'm busy. I'm very busy. I have too much to do. I'm working a lot. I have no free time. I'm doing so many things. I have a lot going on. I'm packed with work. I'm busy with tasks. Other ways to say yes. Definitely. By all means. Precisely. As you wish. You bet. I shall. See. Other ways to say hurry up. Let's go faster. Move it. Let's speed up. Step on it. Chop chop. Shake a leg. Snap it up. Other ways to say I don't like. I'm not fond of. I'm not a big fan of. I'm not really into. I'm not big on. I'm not crazy about. It's not for me. It's not my thing. I'm impartial about it. I can't bear it. I'm disinterested in that. 10 ways to say thank you. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Thanks a million. Thanks for your help. I really appreciate it. I'm really grateful. That's so kind of you. I can't thank you enough. I owe you one. Ways of praising someone. Well done. Congratulations. Good for you. Way to go. Good job. Good thinking. That's an idea. You're a genius. Other ways to say wait. Could you give me a minute? Hang on a second. Just a second. Hold on. Let me see. Let me think. I'll be right with you. Bear with me. That's all I have to it. Be patient. Not so fast. Hold your horses. 7 alternatives for saying that's true. I'm sure. I'm absolutely positive. I'm 100% certain. I'm utterly convinced. I can assure you that. I'd stake my life on it. It's a known fact that 7 alternatives for saying it's my habit. I spend a lot of time. I often tend to. You'll always find me. It's a big part of my life. I always make a point of. I have a habit of. I can't seem to stop. 7 alternatives for saying she's poor. She's destitute. She's short of cash slash hard up. She's got cash flow problems. She's on the breadline. She's in debt. She's on the dole. She's below the poverty line. 7 alternatives for saying no. Nah. Nope. Not today. Sorry, but no. I don't think so. Absolutely not. No way. Out of the question. Not a chance. Definitely not. Other ways to say calm down. Take it easy. Relax. Breathe deeply. Chill out. Don't stress. Take a deep breath. Other ways to say goodbye. See you later. Catch you soon. Take care. Farewell. Bye for now. मैं ऐसा वैसा नहीं हूँ. I'm not riffraff. I hope you will love this post and save this post. Share with as many people as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit YouTube channel IELTS, TOEFL and English Teacher. May God bless all of you. Take care. Bye-bye.